They say there's no place like your home. Jeannie will now disagree with that. She's found a new place she can now call her own, with a friend like the sister she's never ever known. So now she need never again feel alone in Doreen's happy family. She's having the time of her life. The reeds are like sun after rain. There's never a row between husband and wife, and Doreen brings Rachel new peace in her life. At work and at play they ignore the world's strife. Their joy rubs away war's strain. A year passes by in this way, and Jeannie's forgotten the war. No thought of her parents disturbs a full day. No letter to pen for an end to her stay. No tears when her parents can't share her birthday. She thinks of her home no more. She thinks of her home no more. She thinks of her home no more.